today I will be shooting some Fiesta cracker snaps out of my Slingshot, first at the wall and then at this empty box to see the damage, and it'll be really cool when they explode on contact. So let's see what they do. Another one. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video on me shooting my firecrackers out of my Slingshot onto the wall and the cardboard box. If you enjoyed this video and think you'd enjoy other videos like this one, please check out my channel where there's lots of videos on coins, stamps, guns, and inventions. If you like all my videos, please comment and subscribe to get more awesome videos like this one. And also feel free to comment on this video on your thoughts and what any future video ideas should be. Thanks for watching and have a great day.